here is the deal. 3 weeks ago we came to New South Wales planning to go to Byron Bay, go to the beach and have a great time. 2 weeks ago it started raining and the entire coast of Australia flooded. As I'm sure you have seen it, both Lismore and Ballina were underwater. We got very lucky, we were in Alstonville, there is no river passing through the town, so we were very safe here. But we couldn't move at all for 2 weeks. Now we have 2 days to drive the bus back to Bundaberg, get a train to Brisbane, and possibly get a flight. But you will find out more about that later. For now, let's go back to Bundy. Ready to go, Puppy Dog?
She is not.
Hello. Hello, babe. How much did you hate driving through Brisbane?
It was a bit stressful, but nothing too serious.
We just got to Gympie, finally. After 5 hours. I don't even know my name anymore, I'm so tired. We're now trying to decide if we want to stay here for the night or go all the way to Bundaberg. I propose we stay here.
Fine.
Healthy lunch on the road.
It's my new toy.
What? Our new toy, thank you very much.
That's what I said, my new toy. Still my new toy. Still mine.
We might have got an addition to the family that almost didn't get here on time, but it's here now. We went tomorrow to get it at the where?
Alright.
Yeah, I'm tired. We went this morning to get it at the collection, the collection facility because where it was supposed to come, the Ballina Amazon locker was flooded. So, how are you doing?
It's empty.
I don't believe you.
There's nothing there. You can have that one.
I don't want it.
By coincidence, look what I've got. Ooh. Very cool. Very cool.
Turn it around.
Look at my new toy.
It's not your new toy, it's our new toy.
I believe it says package of me.
I believe it doesn't. Oh, it's so small.
That's what she said. Very cool. Very cool.
So we decided that Dia is going to be home for tonight. Good morning. We're so done last night, so we just had dinner and went to bed. Also, we had a horrible night because the truck next to us, which it wasn't a fridge truck, it was just a truck that carried cars. They decided to keep the engine on all night, which I think is very unpolite, not just for us, but for the environment. But anyway, now we're ready to drive to Bundaberg. It's about a 2-hour trip, so it won't take us long, and we're going to stay at Aaron's mom. Someone is crazy already.
Okay gang, we just got to my mum's place. We drove what, 2.5 hours?
Yeah.
Ish, 2.5 hours, got here, had some lunch. I crashed for a nap because I do that. Now I'm excited because I'm going to go play with my new toy.
My new toy.
It's my new toy. Look at that. Oh, look at it. Just waiting for me to play with it.
It's so scary, it's like $600 flying away. See that? That is the reason why I don't need to have kids.
Play with my new toy enough. I got some footage of the bus. It's not at the best setting, but I think it's pretty cool. Drone's awesome. I like drones. Puppy doesn't. Puppy wants to eat it. Now I've got to try and clean up a little bit, tidy up, put a tarp on the bus, and get ready to leave it for a few months. So that's what I'm going to do today. Puppy, wild dog, come help me clean. Come help me clean. Don't ignore me. Come help me clean. You made the mess, you clean it up. I don't think she's going to help me clean. Big goofball. So somehow, this is a big tarp, somehow I've got to try and get this up onto the bus and secured enough that it won't fly away. In the vain hope that it should stop some of the leaks that we get, just in case it rains when we're away. Up on the roof again. How fun. See better days. And that happened. I need more wood. And that's how you do that by yourself in high winds. Not much chop. It's done now though.
I got back home a couple of hours ago. Thankfully, Aaron put everything in order, cleaned up everything, did a great job. And now the mission is clean up the fridge and pack our bags.
They can stay, they can be thrown. They can be thrown as well. Right. Let's take all this stuff away.
So throw?
Yep.
And your mum.
Yep. Don't move, just sit there. I don't want to.
I know, me neither. So our luggages were moldy, that's how often we use them.
They're my ninja socks. These ones saying I didn't fart. This one says my butt blew you a kiss.
So there's our wardrobe situation. Summer clothes. More summer clothes. And here there are some winter clothes that we never use, so we need to oh, your winter pajamas, I got you.
Sausage dog chasing sausages.
Most important thing. And let's say we're done. Good morning, guys. Today is the day. The day in which we have to say goodbye to our puppy for 3 months and say goodbye to our bus and go to Brisbane. Well, Brisbane is just the first stop.
We'll be pretty excited when we wake up.
Yeah.
And Chaka. Alright, say goodbye to Mum. Or not, or just run out of the door.
Aww. Come here, baby. Or not.
She can smell it.
She doesn't care about me.
Smell the food.
Come here. You'll be good with Uncle Dion. Don't escape.
Yeah, but food. Smells it.
Mm-hmm.
Do I get it? I'm being good. Can I get some?
Bye, puppy. I'm here all sad to leave her and she didn't even want to say goodbye. She's too excited about the food. My poor puppy, I will miss her. So I want to explain you guys something. The reason why we can't tell you yet where we are going is because we don't know if we are going yet. So tomorrow I have my scans to check up, and on Tuesday I have an appointment with my surgeon. On Thursday I will get the results of my scans, and on Friday we have a flight booked. So we don't know yet, depending from the results of the scans. They should be good, but you never know. So depending on the results of the scans, we don't know yet if we are going at all. So you will have to wait the next video to find out. now I have to finish packing up. There's still plenty of space, look. It's been good.
Some presents and stuff on the way back.
This is definitely less than 23 kilos.
We have a 23 kilo luggage limit, and an easy way for me to know if it's 20 kilos or not is if I can curl it, because I can't curl 20 anymore because I'm weak, but I can curl this pretty easy, so it's less than 20. All done. Off we go.
See you bus in 3 months. That's it, the trip is starting.
Brisbane. In approximately 5 minutes time we will arrive at Roma Street Station. Now Roma Street Station is a terminating station, so all customers are asked to leave the train at Roma Street.
Alright, we made it to Brisbane. We got our luggages back, which by the way, they are each 112 kilos and the other one 13 kilos. So we have been very good. And now we need to catch a bus to the hospital, well, to the hotel in front of the hospital.
Let's keep walking apparently.
So we walked all the way to the bus stop just to find out that we can't pay for the bus on cash because of COVID. So we decided we're going to get an Uber.
Hey guys, made it to the hotel. We're pretty tired. We're going to get something to eat.
And we will see you in the next one, and you will find out where we are going.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, to share, to like, and you know what to do.
Bye.